Hey guys, so I took a shower last night. That's why I look like the cowardly lion basically with my hair. But it is December 25th. It is the last day of Vlogmas and it is Christmas Day. We're going to be headed upstairs because I don't think anyone else is up. And yeah, I'm just gonna go bother Xavier. Let's go. Well, it didn't work the other way. This is like ridiculous.
It's too hard.
It's hard opening them that way. Like, it's sad that I had to do that, but
Maybe let's do it differently. You do a lot and I don't even know. People talk about me. Oh. This one?
it's vanilla bean.
Oh, and I got a lipstick. Let's see what color it is. Maybe I could wear it today. No, I did. Oh, and I got files. Nail. Another lipstick.
You're welcome.
Vice. Urban Decay. This one I told you.
That's shame.
Was that the one I said?
But no, that's you got rum punch.
No.
I
Is that
got
the color
you.
I told you.
I told you I got you shame.
Yeah, but this is the color. Oh, that's pretty. Oh,
I didn't go to Ulta, I went to Sephora.
and here's another one. Did you give me this one too?
Yeah.
What is it?
Smoking on screen.
Oh, nice. It's probably really red. These last a long time, you know.
Yeah.
There's this frosted vanilla.
Yeah, they're makeup wipes.
I got some. I don't know what to do with them, but I got them.
You like them?
No, I can film your face and everything.
Oh, this is cute.
Remember from a long time ago?
The lip smackers, and it's like the Dr. Pepper can. That's cute. Best flavor ever.
Is it?
And no, that's what it says on the can right here.
Oh.
Yeah, and they have the Dr. Peppers and the 7-Ups and the root beers from the A&W. That's cute. Thank you, Mom. I like this style. And it's purple. That's cute. Thank you. Ooh, fancy.
You want purple or green?
Purple is pretty. Thank you. What is the... Oh, you got me mascara. Thank you, Tarte. Eventually, yeah.
You needed some the other day. Did you buy some?
No, I had to find the other pair. Oh, this is what I needed to go floating. Thank you. It's from Field and Stream. It's for your iPhone. You got me the Jeffree. Oh, it's Jeffree. It's the setting mist from Jeffree. Set and refresh mist. I can't wait to use that.
Huh?
I can't wait to use that. You got me 2 of the lights and camera lashes?
Yep.
Oh wow. Okay, thank you.
Good.
Oh look. Oh, this is my favorite spray. Thank you. From Maurice's. I'm assuming you got this and not Dad. Because he doesn't know what Maurice's is. Thank you. I need this. Oh, and it's cut up into a heart shape.
What is that?
That's nice. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I needed this. Oh, this is pretty. This is a pretty shade of blue. It's like a blue purple. It's pretty. I like that. I'll be using that. Colors, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sit in your big old chair. Love you, Dad.
I love you.
Love you, Dad. You like I'm wearing my Star Wars pajamas?
2019. Come on.
I'm wearing my Star Wars pajamas.
You ready?
Yeah.
2019 Christmas stocking.
Oh, goodness. Come on. Open your
King
stocking. Oh, jeez.
No. Let's see. Oh, I got a hat. This
You
is
got a cool
Xavier's.
beanie.
And this is Xavier's.
That was in your stocking. That's your stocking. Xavier's just a
Got
snowman.
lots of pistachios. Gratishar, Bailey, Manning, Elway, and Davis in Miller, Denver. Cool. Is this a sticker?
Yeah, it's a decal for the car,
Okay, we gotta straighten that out.
right?
Did you give me that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hopefully they get better next
Bath
year.
and Body Works. Eucalyptus Spearmint Natural Body Essential Oils. Pillow Mist. I
Oh,
need that to help me sleep.
I like the lavender.
And I got some wireless earbuds.
I got that too.
And I got me a Bronco. It's all coming up all Broncos. I'm always the Bronco fan.
Oh,
What
jeez.
else did you get? I missed some. Oh, you got some of that.
He got the decal, and he got all of the pistachios.
Flatten it out though.
Oh, where's
Gratishar, Bailey, Manning,
Oh.
Davis, Elway, and Miller.
Oh, it's from Denver.
Yeah, it spells Denver right down the
Oh,
middle.
where did you get that at?
I got it on Redbubble.
Oh, I like that.
Right?
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Sometimes Rob doesn't even get that with the
Ooh.
needle.
Maybe. Oh, this is cute. It's a little Olaf shirt.
Oh,
It's a little Olaf. That's so cute.
how did you know?
Because it's Olaf. Frozen 2 is really good. It says warm hugs on it.
Does it?
Warm hugs.
Ah, thank you, Elizabeth.
Show your
He
shirt.
knows what time to get him.
Yes.
Is it too big?
No, that's it.
I know you. Oh, this is my favorite, one of my favorite colors. This is so pretty.
Put all my stuff up.
Well, honey, I got you a gift card from
Mom, there's foxes on here.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, did you see him curled up?
Little foxes.
No, you don't. Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Aren't those
Isn't
pretty?
it cute? I love this. Thank you. Thank you, Dad. That's so
Aw.
nice.
You better try them on. Did I get you? But yeah, I don't know where they're from.
You know?
But you got another one from Tigger. It's over there.
Yeah. Did you get him one?
No.
Maybe he gave me that.
Don't worry, it's not from Ipsy.
No. I don't know where he got this one. But those I got in a line.
Oh, cool. I know who that is. That's Clint Eastwood.
What does it say?
Doesn't say nothing.
Doesn't say nothing.
Oh.
It's just Clint
It's
Eastwood.
just Clint. I'm wearing that today.
Oh, brother.
Okay, guys, so Xavier basically refuses to get up out of bed, so he is not going to be opening his presents, I don't think, this morning. Maybe his stocking if we're lucky, but we have to be at my aunt's house really soon for Christmas breakfast. I'm going to be doing my hair really quickly and basically just splattering on some makeup, so wish me luck. And yeah, feel like it will take a miracle for me to get out of here on time. Okay, so apparently wait, I need to get in the frame. So apparently my mom didn't like my makeup yesterday because she thought that I should have worn my fake eyelashes, but I couldn't because they looked wonky with the eyeliner. It just didn't look good. So she's over here telling me not to do that again today. And I wasn't going to anyway, so first off. But I'm going to be doing I'm going to be doing a green eyeliner using Mistletoe from the Jeffree Star Holiday Lip Bundle. And I hope it turns out good. I'm just going to be doing like it with my regular plain naked eye. Because I'm not going to put any on any eyeshadow because we're already running a little bit late. Because we're supposed to be there at 9. Apparently it starts at 9 and it's already 9:10. So yeah, this is just great. Wish me luck. I'm in the middle of doing my hair, obviously, and I still need to put on my makeup. So yeah, I will see you guys once my hair is all done. Okay, so I am done with my hair, and apparently Xavier's up and awake finally. Jeez, that sloth. But I'm gonna see if he's gonna open his stocking for me.
Where's
You're welcome. It's not just moisturizer.
I know. Face cleanser, face moisturizer. Oh, scrubs and stuff. I have a lot of these.
Dang, fine then.
No, I appreciate it. Thank you, Elizabeth.
You're welcome.
And lip balm.
And then he already opened his stocking. Dang. Didn't even get to see the look on his face when he's like, oh, wow.
That was really cool. The case.
I know, Mom's all like, he's not gonna like that. He's not a gamer. I'm all like, okay. If he doesn't like it, I'll just give it to Dad. And he'll use it for whatever.
The toothbrush is really nice.
But look. He got your camera.
Mom, I got some boots.
Yeah. Oh, you went to Barnes & Noble? You didn't even wrap it. What's going on with you? You're off your game. Oh, this is nice. I've never heard of this. I'm going to have to look at this.
It's a good book.
You read it?
No.
Then how do you know it's a good
I
book?
just heard
Oh, it says more than 1 million copies sold. That's how you know. All right.
I just heard it's a good book.
Okay.
From
Is it
Piers.
Piers Morgan?
No. From Piers.
Are you almost ready? Mom said that we could go together. Alright, you're gonna have to wait a little bit more for me because I need to put on my makeup. Because I look like crap.
Alright, well, I'm gonna clean all this up and,
Alright, Mom says that we're gonna recycle the paper. Okay, so I just put on my concealer. I feel like I'm looking just a little bit better. You can't see that mark on my face. Not as much, but you can still see it's there, but it's fine. It's whatever, it'll go away. But yeah, I am in the middle of watching Alicia Marie's Vlogmas Day 23. I uploaded my Vlogmas Day 16, made it public and everything, and I'm hoping to finish with up to day 20 possibly today. We'll see. And then all of the other days I will have to do tomorrow. Oh my gosh. And tomorrow just so happens to be Boxing Day, so wow, I'm not in frame at all. Tomorrow just so happens to be Boxing Day, so I'm really excited for that. And yeah, I'm just gonna speed through this whole process because we are late. Okay guys, so this is what I'm working with so far. The green eyeliner using the mistletoe. And I was using this brush, but it was coming out like really translucent and you could see through it, and I felt like I would have to layer it and layer it and layer it, so I just said whatever, screw it, basically. And I just used the lipstick wand off of this, and I think it turned out pretty good. I'm still going to be lining it a little bit with black, just so my eyelashes don't look wonky like they did yesterday when I tried to put them on. And I just ended up scrapping that whole idea and not putting on any lashes, and apparently my mom didn't like my makeup, so yeah. We'll see how this one turns out. But so far I'm liking it. I think it looks pretty. I'm not going to do a wing at all because I feel like that would be too much. Like way too much, too extra, too in your face, you know? So where is the liquid liner? Right here.
Also, I forgot I normally don't get double chicken. I do. I think there's a lot of chicken.
Okay, so my makeup is done. I hope it's not that intense. I feel like it kind of is, but I did the green mistletoe lip product from Jeffree. right here on the top, and then I dragged a little bit of green from the, I was about to say Urban Decay. No, the Nomad Berlin Underground palette. I dragged a little bit underneath of green, so I hope that looks okay, and I just need to put on a lippy, go get Xavier, and we are headed right on out the door. So, how is your Christmas going?
It's going good.
Yeah? I feel like they can't see either one of us.
Yeah. So we're gonna listen to a sermon today by Pastor Robert.
Okay. Whatever you want, Xavier.
From the Ethiopian church and how you bless them as they are now meeting at our old building, but also
I don't use it every day because my skin is sensitive, but every once in a while I will.
Okay, so how was it for you? Did you have a good time?
It was good.
Yeah?
It was fun.
It was fun.
It was
We
good.
stayed there,
Got
what, 2 hours? We stayed there about 2 hours.
about 2 hours. Got some monkey bread.
What does monkey bread say?
Monkey bread is like
Yeah.
rolls that are baked, crispy with cinnamon.
It's like a crescent roll, but they're all like...
Yeah, it's like crescent roll with with some type of nut.
It's a walnut.
Walnut.
And then I had menudo, and there was hatole, but the hatole was different this year.
Really? I didn't try the hatole because I don't like it.
I know you don't.
Tamales were good. Somebody brought waffles.
I know, finally something that you can eat, you know?
Yeah, I appreciate
Well,
that.
not that you can't eat anything else, but something that you would like.
I like tamales, and I like...
Do you?
I like and I had tamales and waffles.
Okay.
And monkey bread. I had no vegetables.
I don't think there were vegetables.
No, there were no vegetables.
There were no vegetables. But that's just our family, though. No vegetables. Yeah, it was pretty good. Xavier wants to go looking for the rock now.
Yeah, we're gonna go look for the rock.
What's the best way to get to CSU?
Go straight.
Really?
Yep.
Alright. We're at a stoplight. It's okay if I adjust the camera.
Oh, okay.
It's fine. Oh no, I'm talking to them. Not you.
Oh.
You know it's okay. I feel like that's a little bit better, maybe. You're still out of that frame.
That's okay. They can see half my face. Now this is more of your face.
Half of your face, half of my face. It's cool.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna charge the camera. The light is flashing as of right now. So I will catch up with you once once the camera is charged and we are back home. Okay guys, so I actually just changed into this cute sweater that I got from Shein. I want to say I got this back in the beginning of the fall time, and it's really cute. It's kind of frumpy, I want to say, and it has these laces going down, and I honestly need to tie this one because it's just like that, so I'm gonna have to go and find someone to tie it for me. But we are in the middle of uploading, I want to say, Vlogmas days 19 and 20. Yep. So we are in the middle of uploading Vlogmas days 19 and 20. Hopefully that will be condensed and ready to go by the time we get home from dinner. Oh my gosh, the camera's flashing because I did not charge the battery. Forgot, I'm sorry. We will just see how long it lasts us. I almost forgot the wine. I got Tommy a pomegranate wine made here in Colorado. And it's so cute. It says Merry Christmas on it with a sparkly top. He's gonna love it. Okay, so I have to move my vehicle out of Dad's way because I'm blocking him in the driveway.